Tonight, spaghetti is what's for dinner. But tonight we're going to make spaghetti for two. So everything's going to be reduced a little bit. I'm going to start with just a half pound of ground beef, some diced onions, half of a medium diced onion, teaspoon of minced garlic. Now I happen to have some yellow banana peppers that I'm going to use up, and so it's half of it. We'll put that in. Not heat, but flavor. And then either 4 ounces of canned mushrooms or about a half a cup of fresh mushrooms. Now we're going to cook this all together until the meat is done. By that time the onions will be translucent and the mushrooms should have released all their water, and that's what we want. So we're just going to cook this all up, take it a few minutes. See you in a few. The hamburger's getting brown. Everything's getting nice and soft. I'm going to go ahead and put in 8 ounces of tomato sauce and with 14 and a half, 15 ounces of diced tomatoes. I'm going to bring that up to a boil. There we go. We're going to put Italian seasoning. It was about a tablespoon. Now this all needs to marry and meld together. So we're going to bring it up to a boil, then we're going to let it simmer. We're going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And 10 minutes, well, we should start our water boiling. This water's already hot. It won't take long for it to boil. We'll put the noodles in. The spaghetti only takes about 7 minutes to cook, so everything's right on schedule here. We have some salted water boiling pretty good, and about half a pound of spaghetti. Now this is going to take about 7 minutes to cook, which is going to be perfect because we've got our sauce simmering right down here. All the flavors are marrying, and if it looks a little too thick for your taste, add a little water. That's okay. Yeah. So about 7 minutes, we'll be ready to start plating. Okay, this was getting kind of thick, so I did add some water, and I'm talking like a half a cup, maybe a little more, but just to thin it out a little bit. Got lots of sauce there. The noodles to soak up. It's coming right along. Our pasta's getting done. It's starting to get soft, but it's not al dente yet. It's getting there. They say it's done when you can take spaghetti and throw it against the wall and it sticks. Don't try it. Your wife will kill you. ready to plate. I'm gonna get nice spaghetti right there, and ladle up a nice portion of this sauce. Okay, let's see how this is. Good. The noodles take on some of the flavor of that sauce. The sauce tastes wonderful. I happen to be a mushroom fan, so I really like the mushrooms. If you're not a mushroom, they're big enough pieces you can pick them out. But I like them. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Bye. Thanks for stopping by.